If you ever wondered how to clean your white canvas sneakers without damaging them, then this video is for you, my friend. What's up everybody, welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. Today we have these beautiful yet little dirty Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star Hearts. If you think you've seen this shoe before on this channel, then you're absolutely right. कुछ ही months पहले हमने इन sneakers को feature करा था in our how to use coat video. It's been 6 months and these shoes have seen the best and the worst days. So let's not waste any time and bring these babies back to life. This sneaker is made out of canvas and rubber. You can see a lot of mess on the midsoles and you can see a lot of grime on the outsole too. So it would take a good effort to get rid of all this mess. I am going to keep the right shoe aside for later comparison and work on the left shoe. We will be using our ultimate kit to get rid of all the mess on these beautiful sneakers. This kit consists of a 100 ml cleaning solution, 3 different kind of brushes, and a microfiber towel. Also, I will be using our SHOEGR mat and a collapsible bowl to keep things organized and not to create a lot of mess. And I'll be using our SHOEGR Shape It so that the uppers stay firm and I can apply the right amount of pressure. Step 1, let's remove the laces. We will be cleaning these laces separately and I will show you how. Let's see if the insoles are removable or not, and I can see you can remove the insoles. We will be cleaning them separately as well. And now it's time to put the Shape It. Let's start by dry brushing with our soft bristle brush. So you always have to make sure कि आप dry brushing करें क्योंकि it will help you get rid of the loose dust और इससे आपकी cleaning और easy हो जाती है. It's time to make the solution and we are ready with our collapsible bowl. We are going to put 200 ml of water and we are going to use our SHOEGR Clean. 3 generous pumps, that's all you need. Now we are going to use the soft bristle brush and work on all the uppers. So let's work on the uppers all the way around. Now we will be using the microfiber towel to get rid of all the foam. Do not skip the tongue, guys. There is a big grime spot over here. Let's try to apply a little bit of pressure. So that's the beauty of the soft brush. It will never damage your canvas. As you can see, the upper looks pretty neat. So let's work on the midsoles now. And for the midsoles, we will be using our medium bristle brush. Okay, there is a little bit of gandagi left at the back of the shoe where you can see the Converse All-Star is written. So we are going to use a little bit of more effort over here. Now it's time to get rid of all the gandagi on the outsoles, and for that I will be using the hard bristle brush. It looks just like my heart, cute and clean. I am satisfied with the uppers. Now it's time to clean the inside of the shoe. Let's take out the Shape It for that. Fact 101, always use the soft bristle brush to get rid of all the gandagi from the inside. और उसको regularly clean करते रहा करो यार. We are all done with the uppers, the mids and the bottoms. Now it's time to let the shoe dry for a while. And before we move on to the insoles, I will take these laces and I'll drop it inside the solution. Give it a little rinse. And now we will use the same soft bristle brush और हम हमारे insole को ऊपर से और नीचे से दोनों जगह से साफ करेंगे. There you go. Beauty, beauty. And we will be cleaning the laces now. Now all you gotta do is shake it out, give it a rub. The cleaning is done. Now we will let the shoes air dry itself for some time. What's up people? हमने काफी देर वेट करा और हमारा जूता अब सूख गया है. Alright guys, the laces are done, the insole has been inserted. Now it's time to compare. Let's see how they look. Okay guys, since हमने इतनी मेहनत करी है इन शूज को साफ करने में, I would want these shoes to stay like this for a little more time. तो इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे हमारा sugar coat water and stain repellent. Boom! Damn! We have to make sure it is shaken well. और हम अप्लाई करेंगे at least 15 to 20 centimeters दूर से. We will be applying an even coat all around this sneaker. Now we will let it dry for 5 minutes and then we will apply another coat so that we don't miss any spot. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, if there is a specific sneaker you want us to clean, drop it down in the comments and we would love to clean it for you. Until then, do not forget to love your shoes. Let's go. Keep moving.